shopping. Let me actually. We just got Sugar stuff. Because he's acting weird. Are you having a... His hair pattern is and stuff. Having a bride. This is actually safe. I'm gonna wear these red bed.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Yo guys, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kamahana Museni, coming back to you with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're old subscriber, a regular what? Welcome back. It's your girl coming back. So today I'm starting a vlog. I always start vlogs like, yeah, today is a Thursday. Let me switch off the comp. Today is a Thursday, and I'm coming to play tennis, pedal tennis, just close by where I stay. I've been meaning to do this. I even freaking bought tennis rags, but yeah, that's like beyond the point. I'm starting this vlog and I just wanted to be present and just let you guys know that yay, we're doing this. Hope you guys are good, and yeah, let's go play.
You wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a star. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot back shots, Stephen Curry. Pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stud. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I'll drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I tore that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off the line and make the engine pop. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beans. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks.
Guys, I wanted to do an intro, but hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in a hurry because I want to share this experience with you guys. I'm screaming. I don't know if I should change, but it's fine. I think I'm fine because anyways, I'm getting ready. I was taking a video. I'm starting a vlog today. Yeah, yesterday I didn't really speak to you guys. I started a vlog the other day, but anyways, I bought a dog. I'm gonna be a dog mom, guys. So I'm gonna tell you the hustle that it took for me to get this dog. Okay, I'm literally gonna tell you guys, but for now, let's go meet him. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm appropriate. Let's go change. I've already opened the gate. I was actually doing my makeup because I know I still have to go buy a bed for him. I'm so excited. Let me get dressed, guys. Let me get dressed, and we're gonna go and meet him. Okay, come down. Yeah. Oh, guys, I'm gonna be a dog mom. Super duper excited. So I'm gonna wear these red bed joggers. I actually didn't know what I was gonna wear today because I have to go out with Dior. Guys, I've decided to name him Dior. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I've decided to name him Dior. Oh god, and I still need to do a hair video before leaving the house. But it's okay. Coming. It's probably, I'm just wearing a shirt. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear this Zara shirt. Oh, totally excited. Let's go. Oh, I thought the camera wasn't. Guys, look at my makeup. But let's go. Hey. Shit, Wabana, he's shaking. Okay, he's getting better now. I had to wash him. I have to go buy a bed, shampoo, and food. Do you want to meet him? Comes. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Wow. He's still scared. So cute.
Because they have a baby.
So guys, meet Dior. Hi. Hey, baby. Guys, he's still shaking. I'm gonna show you how he looks. Oh, he's still shaking. He's still scared. I'm still introducing myself to him. I'm like, hey, you. I'm your new mommy, and your name is Dior. We literally have to run. Me and baby have to run because I did not buy him toys or anything. I wanted him to pick for himself, but it doesn't look like he's gonna pick for himself. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys along because as you guys can see, my hands are full. He's not shaking anymore. He's not shaking anymore, so let's go. Should we go? We're going, baby. Your mom takes videos. Are you shocked? Your mommy takes videos of everything she does. Yeah. He's just like, what the fuck be going on here? Why am I seeing myself times 2? Your mommy takes videos all the time, baby. We're gonna call all your aunts and uncles, but let's go get you food first. Now, do I take a small bowl or?
Yeah, take a small one. We've got a lot of options there.
Yeah, I also want to stick to theme. What is this? Is it a bowl?
Yes, and that is a semi-slow feeder.
Took my makeup. Sorry. I think it's like golden in my house.
Golden.
Yeah.
Can go with something like this.
How much are these going for?
219.
You're thinking, is he not going to hurt himself?
No. I actually burn it down specifically so dogs don't hurt themselves. You would go with a small one like this though, because this one would be, even when he gets big, it'll be too big for him.
Really? So they don't eat much. Oh my god, I need to. But I was looking into something else. These are the only bowls you have.
Yes.
Something plastic. Over there.
Cat balls. Our birthday, coming up to our birthday, just like everything drops
is on
price.
sale. So I need to get him one for. So this is 20. Is this the accurate price? 29.
Yes.
Okay, let me get 2 of these. So this is for water.
They can be water or food. But you can go with the smaller one, the smaller brown one.
So this one will be for food, this will be for water.
Because keep in mind, even though he is gonna get bigger,
The portions don't.
because he will start.
Is it? Okay. I'll check during the week. So these are. So a 3 is his size.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to get him pink. A 4 is going to be too big.
Unfortunately.
And you guys don't have
We're getting
3.
more stock in soon. The more when
Sorry? Oh. Yeah. We just got you the stuff. Say hi. So guys, we went doggy shopping. Let me actually bring Dio because he's acting weird. I don't know what's wrong with Dio, but I'm actually glad that he's now moving a bit, but he was like very shy. Or should I? No, let me leave him. I'll bring him. I got him 2 blankets. And we're gonna go through the prices because let me tell you, I was told that dogs are expensive, but I was like, huh. But yeah, this blanket is 99 rand, so 2 for 200. But I got the cheapest, and then we got him cute little bowls. The bowls were really expensive as well. There were bowls for like 200 and something, and I was like, you know what? Let me start. Also, I was looking at the aesthetic in the house, so this is kind of like going. This is going to be for his water and his food. Why would they have stickers in his food bowls? Guys, in total, for every day, I actually spent 2,000. Oh, remember before everything, guys, I need to drink water. Remember I said I was going to tell you guys what happened to me and how I got scammed? Well, I didn't really mention much, but I got scammed. I was actually supposed to get a white puppy, a Pomeranian puppy, and unfortunately I was scammed. I was scammed 5,500. Yeah, so then after being scammed, I was like, hey, I have a friend of mine that has a dog, so I DM'd them, which she had given me the guy's contact details. I will put his details there. He has an Instagram page, but honestly, I've seen most of the people get their dogs from him, and then I was like, hey, I want a puppy. So I got scammed, guys. So just be careful out there. Apparently it's a big thing. And then I got this Royal Canin dog food. This is like for puppies from 2 months to 10 months. By the way, I've never had like an indoor puppy. Yes, growing up we had puppies at home, but you know, this is me being a mom for the first time. I also got him this. It is a what is this? Oh, this is a, I don't know what they call it. Let's read. But it's that thing that holds the dog. And this is like 139. I also got, please don't pee, sir. I also got training pad puppies as well. This is how they look like. I got a toy. I hope you like it, Dior. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy, Dior. Come. You wanna come to mommy? Oh my god, you can't be on one. What is wrong, baby? He's literally been just there, sitting on one place. Are you scared? Are you scared? I'm your new mommy. Say hi, guys, and welcome to my mommy's channel. My name is Dior, even though I'm a boy. Say hi. My mom decided to name me Dior. Say hi. Hi, Bodio. Anyway, Got him a Pet Dent. This is his toothpaste. We have to get you a cupboard, sir. Do you know that? Do you know that we have to get you a cupboard? Mwah! Hey! But I don't like how he smells. I still need to give him a bath. I got him a comb as well to comb him. I also got him a house training spray. It's a potty training spray. Got him shampoo because we're gonna have a bath. If you think we're gonna have a bath, sir. Okay? Okay? And then I got you goodies, baby. Do you know what this is? Okay, I got him goodies. This is what I'm going to be using when I'm training him. And I also got him antibacterial moisturizing deodorant for the pet. Guys, I literally went to the store looking like this because I was scared that Pet World was going to close and what was I going to feed him. So I had to literally go and buy him clothes and get something like a bonnet. Here's my wig over here. I was about to do a wig video, but I had to obviously prioritize my baby. And yeah, we're going for a bath now. You guys are definitely coming with. And then I'm just gonna set up his food stuff and say bye, guys. We're going for a bath. Say it. But also before bathing him, my gas is finished. I'm waiting for the guy that delivers gas to come deliver, and yeah, we will get there. Say bye, guys. Bye. Come on, say bye.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much. I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And I'll start hating only if you make cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of my friends here. Guess she don't have the time and can't get no more flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had.
Are you having a bath?
Fuck that nigga that you think
again. But he was so well behaved as I was bathing him. But he'll get used to it. Mommy is a clean freak, okay? I also got him dog. You know, dogs have a scent. And I'm trying to obviously run away from that. I think he needs to go in for grooming. But I'm just going to see how his hair pattern is and stuff. I'm a clean dog. Say, I'm a clean doggy. I need to thingy your face. I'm sorry, did I hurt you, my baby? Just combing out his hair. Honestly, I feel like I should have just used like a normal comb. But this is the comb that I bought for him, so we're using it, okay? I love the fact that the hairdryer helped with everything. Hey, my baby, are you okay? Dior, are you okay, my love? And also, I have the heater on for him. So yeah, he smells clean now, you know. So I don't know. I feel like I need to get him conditioner because I just got him shampoo. I feel like I need to get him conditioner because his hair looks crazy now. And here is the perfume that I was talking about. So he's just not happy with me, but he smells way better. I'm able to kiss him now. Hey, baby. Dior. Morning, guys. I literally just woke up. I have people coming to come clean my headboard, couches, and carpet. And I'm just like, you know, the is, hey.
Hi, Kamo. Which things are we cleaning today? We just want to confirm which machines we can upload.
Headboard, carpet, and the couch.
Okay,
Sharp. So yeah, guys, come clean with us. I need to also set up my other camera because I usually use that for YouTube and this one for Instagram because I'm doing YouTube and Instagram. And yeah, come say good morning, baby. Come say good morning. Oh my god, he's loosened up today. He's been barking. He slept right next to me. But yesterday he freaking took, hey my love, look at him giving me a hug. Hey my baby, look at the camera. Yesterday he gagged, which is good, but he gagged at the wrong place, but it's fine. We're gonna work on that, right? Right, Dior? We're gonna work on that, right? No more gagging everywhere? And guys, let me tell you, the sad thing is it's not sad because I'm obviously in love with Dior now, but I wanted a white one. I wanted a white Pomeranian, and they didn't have a white Pomeranian. And then this morning I wake up and they like white Pomeranian on sale. I'm like, you said you didn't have, and he's like, no, the people that were taking the white Pomeranians changed yesterday into Yorkies, so it's fine. I guess it's God ordained, right, baby? Right, baby? Right, baby? It's okay. I'm a Yorkie mom now, even though I wanted a Pomeranian. So yeah, maybe I'll get a Pomeranian. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still testing out this motherhood thing. So I'm going to brush my teeth now. And I'm really not going to be looking decent because today is all about cleaning. And yeah, I just want to move a couple of stuff because they're coming to clean. So yeah, guys, come with me. I'm also going to, because Sundays are usually my rest days. But then, yeah, girls gotta do what girls gotta do. You're such a spoiled one, aren't you? Huh?
You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you to love me even more. So let's see how you like this song. Now don't go walking out the door, 'cause that's just somewhere you don't belong. 'Cause ever since the day that I met you, I knew you were the girl of my dreams, but we could never be. We find love and we get up and we fall down. We give up. We find love. We get up and we fall down. We give up. She's fine too, but I want you. She's fine too, but I want you. No, 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 oh, yeah, yeah. Let's start. Yeah.
We survived. We survived our first shopping experience. And guess what I got for Dior? Hey, baby. Guys, I'm matching with my baby. I got him clothes. It is winter after all, so I got him this. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me put it here. Yeah. Say hi, Dior. Come, baby, come. Come, baby. Come, come. Let's put on your hands. I've never dressed a dog before, guys, so if I'm making any mistakes, you should forgive me, okay? Mare le wena, baby, wa itse ha o bue, ha nka go lematsa o ka se bue. Oh, mommy, you're hurting me. Huh? Huh, my baby? Oh, he's such a calm baby, guys, also, hey? He is such a calm little charm. Mommy's little charm. Look at him, he's just literally calm. Let me switch the AC. Okay. Oh, mommy knows my size. Tell him that your mommy knows your size. Tell him that your mommy knows your size. Hey? Tell him that your mommy knows your size. Guys, how cute is he? Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
You know, man.
My mommy and I are matching. Say hi, Daddy. Guys, he is tired. He's tired right now. And he's sleeping. He's just so tired of me. I know having me in your life is exhausting. I don't want to wake him up. I am going to go to Umi, drop off some stuff. I haven't eaten today. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I feel like cooked food. Like I'm just going through the most right now. But I don't know if I should put the seat belt over him. So maybe if I brake too hard, he shouldn't fall. But also I don't want to wake him up, so I don't know. Look at him. So guys, I don't know if I mentioned earlier on, but I was supposed to meet up with Umi, but Umi being Umi, she's not picking her calls, even though she knows I'm coming. So I was like, girl, I am going home. Sorry baby, I woke him up. So now I am going to cook at my boyfriend's house. I actually saw Kanya Mazana, one of her recipes. She did such a nice meal, it looks appetizing. So I just decided now that let's go braai with my man. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We do have a guest braai by him, so I just need to make pap and salads, and yeah, so I'm just gonna buy the ingredients now. And I did not spend the whole weekend with him, and I know there's a lot, you know, that we need to talk about. So what other way than to do it having a braai, you know? So yeah, let's go braai. I hope I'm gonna take you guys throughout the whole process, because I don't know guys, like when I'm at my man's house, I just don't really wanna vlog, you know. Also I want to respect his personal space, so I'm not as free as I am when I'm at my place. And trust you me, he doesn't say do this, don't do that, but it's just out of respect for his place, you know. So let's go to Spa. I'm gonna pass by Spa because I'm already by Winnie Mandela Road. Oh my god, there was a bad accident over here. I'm already by Winnie Mandela Road, and I don't want to do. Guys, I don't know if I should leave him in the car because he's still peacefully sleeping, or I should go with him. I think I'm just gonna leave the windows open just a little bit like this. So that he can breathe. And yeah, I'm gonna leave him. Let me see what he's gonna do when I walk out, and then we'll take it from there. So guys, I did leave him in the car, and I am wearing my jacket. I just want to see if he's gonna wake up or what. Well, his eyes are open, but he's just like sleeping. I hope he's fine. Remember guys, today is literally my second day with him, so I'm also still learning how, you know, how he operates and all. Come, Gio. Come, baby. I don't want to leave him, but also he doesn't want to come to me. Tell me everything's don't know what it is, but I think he's just like, he just doesn't know. I think he just doesn't know. I think he just doesn't know what to do in this thing.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
Morning guys, so yeah, as you guys saw yesterday, we cooked. You know what, I didn't take a video of the final plate that I did, but there is a picture and I'm gonna attach it. I already have. Me and Dior are shamelessly going back home. So basically this is how my Mondays usually are. I sleep at my boyfriend's on Sunday, and then Monday morning, because we're not like far from each other, Monday morning I just drive home, change if I didn't take a suitcase. Yeah, I go change. But this time around I did it with my baby, and Shem, he's not having it, because when we walked out he was already like, when we walked young, yeah. Baby and I Kaylee one so it's safe to say, hey, it's safe to say that my complex is actually safe. Everything is still here and intact. We're home, baby. Guys, I'm going to work, but I've decided I'm not going to dress up for work because of the fact that my eye's swollen. Did I tell you guys already? I think I did. So I just want to show you guys what I got for Dior yesterday, because I know when I come back from work, I'm just going to want to sleep. I got these. These are my favorite. I'm going to have this for lunch. And then I got him a teddy bear type of situation. Dior, come here. Come here, baby. Come see your new friend. Because mommy's gonna leave you today, okay? Mommy's gonna leave you today, but mommy's got you an emotional teddy bear to play with. Come. Oh. Look. Here's your teddy bear. I think this is your best friend, okay? When mommy's not around, this is your best friend. We haven't brushed our teeth. He doesn't, I got him, this is his second toy that I'm getting him. He doesn't seem to have warmed up to the idea of toys as yet. I also got him this one. Oh my god, guys. I got him this, you're gonna fall. Do you guys know what this is? When I saw it, was like, and I was looking at the price, it's like 100 and something. I'm like, give me that right now. Look at what mommy got you. Look at what mommy got you, baby. So when you bark, it's gonna, when he barks when I'm not around, it's gonna bark back at him. Hopefully. You're gonna fall, baby. On. Hey. Hello? Dior? Mommy's going to work. Hey, Dior. So yeah, I bought this as well. He doesn't seem interested. He's just like, right? He doesn't seem interested. Can you just imagine? This is my favorite toy. I don't care who says what, this is my favorite toy. Let me switch this off. I got his sister's stuff as well for winter, water bottles and stuff. Also got him this. Baby, do you like this? Look. Do you like it? I got him like a jacket, and I got him this as well. World's, let's read what it's written. World's peace need everybody's hands. Look, Dior, look at what mommy got you. Dior was barking the whole night. Guys, let me change for work, and I'll probably see you guys when I come back, because today I really just want to focus on work and really catch up with, like, yeah. Oh, and also the red one. You guys saw the red one. He wore the red one yesterday. So you're not happy with your gift, baby? No, you shut up. I'm leaving Dior in here in my bathroom. There's his bed, where he needs to wee-wee, and his food. Come, Dior. Come. 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 Bye. Mommy loves you. Mwah. Let me go work so that you can have dog more, okay? Bye-bye. Bye, baby.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside,